Hello, my crafty friends. I sure hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. If you're new to my channel or you're a returning subscriber, welcome. Please take a moment to hit that red subscribe button as well as that little bell icon so that you never miss a video. Today, I have another design team package from ASC Craft Supplies. Each of the items that I will review are available on their website. Also, please feel free to use my coupon code ROBYN10, that's all in capital letters, to receive a 10% discount upon checkout. The next collection we're going to review is the Mintay Yes I Do. This is beautiful. It's all about weddings and love. These colors are very similar to the City of Love that I reviewed previously. You have the 12 by 12 paper die cuts, the 6 by 6. There's a Mintay album base, which is a beautiful scrolled heart. You have the cardboard stickers and also the Mintay chippies. We're going to review the 12 by 12 paper first. This is the 12 by 12. On the back of the front cover, you have these beautiful cut aparts. You've got this gorgeous wedding dress, a little heart that says love, the wedding cake, the groom's suit, rings, champagne. This is so much fun. It would be perfect for a wedding album. The first signature, the background has this wood grain print. In the upper left hand corner, you've got these beautiful floral sprays. And I love how they have the beautiful ruffled veil here. You've got the adorable doves. And in the lower corner, you've got this beautiful off-white scroll frame with a happy couple here. And next to it is this beautiful wedding cake. On the back, you have this beautiful pattern. It's got a hint of light pink in the background and this beautiful scroll pattern. The next signature is this beautiful wreath pattern. In the upper left-hand corner, you have these doves with a little heart locket. You've got this gorgeous floral sprays. Here, we have a little ring box that's in the shape of a heart. On the lower right here, we have these doves that are sitting on a swing. This little rose heart that says love. It's so beautiful. On the back, you have this cream wood grain paper. The next signature on the upper left-hand corner, you've got this wonderful collage. You've got this beautiful white scroll frame, the doves, the beautiful wedding cake. And again, here on the lower left corner, you've got the bride's veil and the groom's suit. On the back, this is similar to the light pink version. This is light green with a beautiful scroll detail all over it. We have this beautiful heart design taking up a majority of the paper. You've got the beautiful doves and the floral spray on the top and the bottom. On the back, you have a wood grain pattern in a light tan, and ever so slightly is a printed lace. It looks so beautiful. Next, you have this beautiful floral collage with light greens and the pinks and peaches. On the back, it's contrasted by this wood grain paper. Next, you have these gorgeous cut aparts. And on the back, you have these wonderful frames. Each of these you could use for photos or journaling. Next, we have the Yes I Do cardboard stickers. You've got the circles, the little pendants, happily ever after, our wedding day, and these fun tags on the bottom, my love for you. You are the love of my life. Of course, these wonderful sentiments on the bottom. There's also a 6 by 6 collection. These images are exactly the same as a 12 by 12, just on a smaller scale. Let's do a quick flick through. We have the paper die cut pieces. I'm going to take this out so I can give you a better view. These are some of the cut aparts. You have this fun heart in a wood grain pattern, these beautiful floral sprays. You've got a heart with these beautiful roses in the background. You have a heart locket a beautiful wedding cake, champagne glasses, another heart, a wedding dress. You have to have the doves, and of course this beautiful heart-shaped ring box. Next, we have the 12 by 12 chippies. This is called the Love Set. And I love these beautiful images. You have this heart with a large bow, several different hearts in frames, love, cute little coffee cups with a heart. You've got these doves here flanking a beautiful heart. You've got the cherubs flanking a heart. You have this large filigree heart here. This is beautiful. And again, you can have so much fun altering these chipboard pieces. You can paint them, you can distress them, ink them, use stenciling on them, and other mixed media mediums. Last but not least, we have this Mintay Chippies album base, which is beautiful scroll heart. This has 7 pieces, and it measures 5 3/4 by 7.5. And you have this gorgeous scroll detail on the front, and then plain pages for the rest of the album. And you can easily trace your designer paper onto these hearts and decorate as you wish. To hold this album together, I'd simply use a decorative ring and then poke holes through the left side of the top part of the heart, and then embellish it with beautiful ribbon, seam binding, and lace. This concludes my review of the beautiful Mintay Yes I Do collection. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. Please be sure to visit my channel to see the fun projects that I've made with this paper, and also check out the other spring Mintay collections. Thank you so much for joining me. I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.